Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class in English education. I hope you all are doing well. You all are preparing well. Before going ahead, I would like to tell you that we have completed two chapters in grammar section. Chapter 1, noun, and chapter 2, pronoun. Now, I am switching in writing section because we have to prepare for unit test. So, some chapters should be completed from all sections. So today we will start writing section. In writing section, in first chapter there has been given notice, and also you have read it. You might have read it in class 6th. So class 7, this is for class 7. Topic notice, writing section. First of all, we will try to understand what is notice. क्या है नोटिस, क्या है हमें, और ये क्यों लिखते हैं और किसे लिखते हैं. Why? Introduction. A notice is a short piece of writing and is usually written in a formal style. नोटिस जो है एक स्मॉल पीस ऑफ राइटिंग, इसमें बहुत ज्यादा लिखा हुआ कंटेंट इसमें ज्यादा नहीं होता है. मेन इंफॉर्मेशन विच वी हैव टू गिव somebody, someone, बहुत कम, and usually written in a formal style. And notice is written in a formal style, means formally, officially, in a proper way, in a accurate way. It is also used to make, it is used by individuals. ये एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के द्वारा भी यूज किया जा सकता है, किसी इंस्टीट्यूशंस के द्वारा, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के द्वारा. इंस्टीट्यूशन मीन्स स्कूल and some another. And क्या, for what? To announce events, to announce any events, for any competition, for closing school, for opening school, for anything. It is also used to make appeals. Sometimes notice is written for making appeals, for request. And it is पेस्टेड, इट इज स्टक. ये चिपकाया जाता है स्कूल्स में, कॉलेज में. आप देखे होंगे बाहर नोटिस बोर्ड लगा होता है, वहां चिपकाया जाता है और वहां पेस्ट भी किया जाता है. स्कूल में, कॉलेजेस में, यूनिवर्सिटीज में, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज में, इस तरह की प्लेसेस में चिपकाया जाता है नोटिस. सो आई होप वी हैव अंडरस्टूड, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट व्हाट इज नोटिस एंड व्हाई डू वी राइट नोटिस. नाउ अब हम लोग समझ चुके हैं कि नोटिस क्या है और किसे लिखते हैं और क्यों लिखते हैं. अब हमें यह जानना है कि ये कैसे लिखते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फॉर्मेट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड स्टार्ट विथ फॉर्मेट ऑफ नोटिस. फॉर्मेट. नोटिस is written in a box. So first of all, we will make a box, and after writing you can also put a box. There is no any problem. In a box, first of all, you have to give heading. This is heading. Heading of the school, offices, organization or name. Who is writing a notice? There should be his or her and its name. चाहे वो स्कूल का नाम होगा, ऑफिस का नाम होगा, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम होगा, एनी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज, एनी गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर, कोई सी का भी नाम हो, वो ऊपर में हेडिंग आपको देना है. एंड दैट शुड बी इन कैपिटल लेटर. दैट हेडिंग शुड बी इन कैपिटल लेटर. एंड जस्ट बिलो देयर यू हैव टू राइट नोटिस इन कैपिटल लेटर. ऑल्सो दिस इज इन कैपिटल लेटर. You can you have to give you have to one line gapping. There should be gapping of one line, and once again there should be one more line gapping here. Don't write here, and also don't write here. One line there should be gapping. Then put date. You can put date in the same way, 20th April 2020, this way. Then after writing date, you have to write here subject. subject can be anything according to the notice. Like if you have lost something, अगर आप कुछ भूल गए हैं, then there should be lost of water bottle, lost of mobile in a school, lost of anything. And suppose any competition for any examination, relate any topics, any events, any topics, any points can be there. So you have to write subject here. Then we will start body of notice. Body of notice you can start in this way. All the students are informed, all the members of the society are informed, all the staffs of school are informed, all the teachers are informed. किसी गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में हो रहा है तो वहां पे भी लिखा जा सकता है, तो सूचित किया जाता है. तो दिस वे, दिस इज द वे ऑफ बिगिनिंग. देन बॉडी ऑफ नोटिस, वट एवर द थिंग्स यू हैव टू मेंशन, द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स you have to mention there. I will tell you what are the things you have to mention here. I have written here. Note, content should have the following points. I will make it clear. Then after writing body of notice, you have to give your signature. Who is writing the notice, his or her signature should be. Then his name, his or her name in capital letter. Names should be in capital letter. Then designation. After leaving one line, there will be gap of one line and designation in bracket. Then your notice will be completed. Now format you must have understood. Now what we will write in body of notice, these things we have to understand. One more thing here, your body of notice, your notice should be neat and clean. Do's and don'ts we can say here. Your notice should be neat and clean, एकदम साफ सुथरा होना चाहिए. हैंड राइटिंग आपका बहुत सुंदर होना चाहिए, अट्रैक्टिव होना चाहिए. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट, योर लैंग्वेज शुड बी सिंपल एंड क्लियर. आपका जो लैंग्वेज होगा वो बिल्कुल सिंपल होगा और क्लियर होगा, ताकि लोग समझ सकें जो नोटिस आप देना चाह रहे हैं, जो बताना चाह रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट है फॉलो द फॉर्मेट. फॉर्मेट को आपको फॉलो है. यू मस्ट हैव टू फॉलो द राइट वे ऑफ फॉर्मेट, राइट वे ऑफ राइटिंग द फॉर्मेट. नाउ नोट, content should have the following points. Body of notice, there will include content. What should have in your content, क्या होना चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग द नोटिस. आपका नोटिस लिखने का पर्पस क्या है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट वो आपको मेंशन करना है. देन सेकेंड पॉइंट, फॉर whom the notice is meant, to whom you are writing this notice, that you have to mention. Then date and time and venue is very compulsory. Date, time also. If you are writing for any competition or for any practice, then for what time we have to arrive there, when we have to arrive there. So time you have to mention, and place where. Suppose something is about to happen in school, then in school ground, in playground, in where, means venue you have to also mention. Then next point is who can participate. If you are writing this notice for any competition, then you have to mention there. Then who can participate, कौन इसमें participate कर सकते हैं. क्विज कंपटीशन होने वाला है, या कोई खेल होने वाला है, क्रिकेट का मैच होने वाला है. Whatever the things are about to happen in your school, or likely to happen in your school, so who can participate, you have to mention. Then your next point is how to apply. Now there is change, how to apply. Suppose you have written a notice, suppose you are running an institution and you need some staffs, then you are writing a notice to apply. They apply for a computer staff, for clerk, for anything. Then you have to write the process how to apply and whom to apply. Then last date also. If you are writing for any form, then you have to write here last date. When is the last date? Like till like last date is 13th April, है ना? This way you have to write here last date for filling that form, for applying that form. Then the next is whom to contact. If you have written any kind of notice, and if they whom you have written the notice, they have got any kind of confusion, they want to know some extra points on that, then to whom they will contact, then you will have to mention, then you will have to mention that you can contact to your class teacher, you can contact to your sport teacher, you can contact to the monitor, means anyone related according to that notice you can write. And at last, note, take care of the grammar spellings. Yeah, that is very important. When you are writing a notice, you have to be very careful in grammar. In grammar there should not be any mistakes, because you are writing for future or for past, that you will be informed. If you write there you had been informed, आपको सूचित किया गया था, that would be wrong. Means you are talking about past or future tense should be clear. So you have to take care about grammar. Then spellings should not, there should not be any error in spellings. Then punctuation, marks, comma, full stop, question mark, whatever punctuation also you have to be very careful in punctuation marks. And there should not be any irrelevant points. If you are writing a notice, there should not be any irrelevant points which has no any relation with that matter, with that notice, with that information. So do not give any irrelevant point. So I hope this is a complete information for a notice, and after seeing this you can write your notice in a well way. There won't have any kind of problem, and in spite of that, if you have got any kind of problem, then mention your problem in my comment box, then I will try to solve that. And I have uploaded one written notice in PDF file. You can see how that has been written, and also for practice there will be 2-3 exercises which you have to write down in your notebook. After when the school will open, when the school will run, I will check that. And don't take it easy, be serious and study at home and use the benefits of these classes. Thank you very much. That's all.